welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a super extra unboxing slash haul, and if you follow me on Instagram you will see that I recently took a trip to St. Louis and I was there, saw a lot of the different sites. I was able to go to the zoo. And saw a really cool Egyptian exhibit at the art gallery. And also while I was there, most importantly, I was able to do a little bit of shopping. So I went over to one of their more luxury malls and I was able to pick up a few items, and I just wanted to share all of those with you. So as you can tell from the title of the video, I got some Louis Vuitton, some Jimmy Choo, some Burberry, and I am just going to go through everything right now with you. So I am first going to start off with my Burberry purchase, and I picked these up from Sunglass Hut, and as you can tell, they are going to be a pair of sunglasses, but Burberry nonetheless. So let me get these opened and I will show you which ones I got here. So I got them all wrapped up. So there is the box and it has Burberry on it. And then inside there's just a little booklet, a little cleaning cloth. And then here is the glasses case. Now I know a lot of times they come with like a plaid larger hard case, and I have another pair of Burberry sunglasses and they came in the exact same case as this. So I'm not sure what the difference is or which glasses come in which cases, but I think this one might be a little bit better just because it is a smaller case. Maybe with larger glasses they come with the larger case. I don't know, but let's get these open and I will show you which ones they are. So I don't know what the exact name of these are. I will link those down below for you. We'll get that off, but they are just some nice large glasses here, and then on the sides they do have the little Burberry plaid. So if you watched my wish list video, these are on there, so I am really excited to finally add these to my collection. I think they are super sleek and stunning, and I think they will look really well, especially now that it is the summertime, and I just love this little extra detail along the sides. Alright, so next up we have a couple of pairs of Jimmy Choos. So I had never really tried these on before, but let me tell you something. I think that this is quickly becoming my favorite shoe brand because they are so comfortable. And so these are heels. Well, at least one pair is a little bit taller than the other, but they are so comfortable, and it's really difficult to find heels that are comfy. So the more comfy a shoe is going to be, or a heel is, the more I'm going to wear it. So let me get this all undone real quick and I'll check back with you in just a second. So the shoes that I got here are the Lucy pumps. So they are a black suede material. They have a little ankle strap right here, and they are the Dorsey style, so they do have a cutout right here, and this makes them a little bit more comfortable, I think. And then they have a nice skinny stiletto heel on the back, but I think that the black is going to be perfect. I don't really have a pair of comfortable black pumps, and so I was really excited when I saw these, and the suede is very different from a lot of the other shoes I already have. I have some in the patent leather, some in the kid leather, and so now I can add a pair of suede pumps to my collection, and they are still super stylish because they are the pointed toe, and like I said before, they are so comfortable. And so I'm really excited that I was able to get these, and I can't wait to wear them. And I have a fun fact for you about these shoes. So if you're familiar with Emma Stone and her role in La La Land, that she won an Oscar for it, and I don't know if that's why they were able to do this, but in Hollywood, near the Hollywood Star Walk of Fame, there is that whole section of all of this concrete and the cement area where the stars have put their handprints in and their footprints in for commemorating certain movies that they were a part of. And she was able to do that with her role in La La Land along with her co-star. And this is actually the pair of shoes, obviously not this exact pair, but the Lucy Pump by Jimmy Choo is the pair of shoes that she wore when she did that. So everyone was a little awestruck when she ruined them with the cement, but nonetheless, these are the same style, and that's not the reason I got them. I got them because they were really comfortable, but it's just a fun thing to be able to wear something that such a famous person wore. So that is another little fun thing with the Lucy Pump. And my next pair of new Jimmy Choo shoes. Again, give me a second and I will get this all out and open. They just put so much wrapping on these. It takes a little bit. Alright, now to add on a little sparkle to my collection, these are the Jimmy Choo, obviously, Gemma Slingbacks, and they are in a really pretty kind of a beigey pink on the heel, and this is just like a leather wrap heel, and then a nice beautiful rose gold kind of glitter along the toes. It's a pointed toe here, and then that glitter also continues all the way back to the straps of the slingback. And if you look here, the heel height is not very big, so again, a nice comfortable pair. So that is my second pair of the Jimmy Choos, and these ones I might have to find a little bit different kind of occasion to wear these, but completely different from my other ones, so that is another reason why I was excited to add these into my collection. So another comfortable pair, and then these would also be perfect for the summertime given the colors, but if I wanted to wear them in the winter, since they are nice metallic and kind of a neutral, I would be able to do that as well. And then finally we are on to the Louis Vuitton unboxing. Now, I hate to break it to you, it's not another handbag because they all can't be handbags, but it is a nice little SLG that I have really been wanting to add to my collection. So this one here, we'll get this opened up. So again, we have just a little dust bag, and then this one is the card holder. So again, another item that I am able to check off of my wish list. It is the Louis Vuitton card holder. So there is a nice little slot or pocket right on the front there, a nice slot on the back. It's the exact same on the front side and the back side, and then there's also a pocket on the top here. And I was kind of nervous about originally adding this onto my wish list because I thought that it only came in the brown color at the top here. But I went into the store there and I just asked them out of the blue, like, hey, do you guys happen to have this? And then they did, and I was like, perfect, that's what I wanted. So I'm really excited to get this one added on to my collection as well, because it does have that gorgeous fuchsia at the top. So it will match my zippy card holder, and then just that gorgeous fuchsia color will match every other bag of Louis Vuitton that I have in my collection now. So that is my last piece to show you all. So I have the Jimmy Choo, the Burberry, Louis Vuitton, all these fun things to add on to commemorate my trip over to St. Louis. And if you do have any questions on any of these items, just let me know down in the comment section down below. And if you really enjoy these unboxing and haul videos, be sure to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not already done so, just so that way you are notified whenever I make a new video, which is about 2 to 3 times a week. And until next time, thanks for stopping by. We'll just get these put right back in the case so we can move on to our next item.